Hey, how we doing, everybody? Welcome to the latest edition of Story Time with Mr. Smolen. As always, I picked out a fantastic book for us to read today, and it, of course, has one of my all-time favorite storybook characters in it. So, as always, let me get that drum roll, please. Our story today is Pete the Cat and the Itsy Bitsy Spider. Oh, you guys know I love Pete the Cat. As always, our author is James Dean. So let's get going here on this great story. Pete the Cat and the Itsy Bitsy Spider. Here we go. One day, while playing outside with his friends, Pete the Cat spotted something cool. "Look!" shouted Pete. Oh man, look. Oh, and they're even playing baseball. One of my favorites. I love me some baseball. "Whoa! It's so small," said Gus. "It's an itsy bitsy spider," said Callie. Oh, look at that little baby itsy bitsy spider. "The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout." Oh, look at him climbing up that water spout. "Down came the rain and washed the spider out." Oh no, poor little spider. Look at that spider looking all sad. "Out came the sun and dried up all the rain." Oh, look at him. He's even sunbathing with this sunscreen. Pete and his friends knew just what to do. Everyone cheered on the tiny spider. Look at them cheering him on, being great friends. Pete the Cat said, "Try again, itsy bitsy spider." So the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Oh, look, he's climbing up again. I like it. Trying again. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Oh, look, he's even surfing this time. Oh my gosh. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. Oh, look at him relaxing again in the sun. Oh, look, he's even got lemonade, it looks like. Oh, look, they're bringing him stuff, too. Ooh, I wonder what they could be bringing him here. Oh, look, they're different colors, though. I see a blue box, an orange box, a green box, and a red box. Let's see. Pete said, "Don't give up yet." They all cheered louder this time. Oh, and look what they brought him. Some cool new spider shoes. Oh, man, look, there's red and green and the orange and the blue shoes. Ooh, look at that spider looking cool in those shoes. Let's see if these shoes will help him. Oh. Again, the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Oh, look at him. Those shoes. Maybe those shoes will help. Let's see. Down came the rain and Pete and his friends shouted. Oh, what'd they shout? Let's see. "Go, itsy bitsy spider, go, 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 go." Oh, here to say, "Go, itsy bitsy spider, don't give up. Believe you can." Oh, look at him though. The rain's coming down, but look, they're making it. And the itsy bitsy spider kept climbing up the water spout. Oh, look at him keep on climbing, keeping on climbing. Everyone celebrated and the spider took a bow. Oh, he did it. Yeah, look at him taking a bow up there. Ooh, and they're all cheering down here. "Yeah, go itsy bitsy, you can do it." With the help of some friends, the itsy bitsy spider never gave up, even when the odds were against him. Oh, look at them all friends there. And that is our story. I love that story. You guys like that story? I think that story was great. It goes to show, even if things get tough at times, keep on persevering, because if you put your mind to it, you can do it, my friends. So, Pete the Cat and Itsy Bitsy Spider all done. I look forward to reading you another story next time. As always, friends, pick up a book, read, 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 and And until next time, have a great day, everybody.